Oh, this was from Tesla Owners US, and we had a little problem on the windshield. I'm going to show you that. It's going to be this one, and at the edge, and that needs to be repaired. And Tesla doesn't do that anymore, but there are some nice guys from Blue Chip, and they do it, and that comes after the intro.
Wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're
got the
looking
windshield
for.
here, and it's already pre-foiled. Means we have a guy who is doing the foiling, and now you see a windshield from a Tesla, all prepared. And interesting thing is, this one is actually the heating wire for the windshield wipers, because you don't want to have them and frost them into the car so that the windshield wipers cannot operate once you're driving. And then there are the attachment probably from here for the camera system here. So they cleaned up, and that is the foil is being applied here, and there will be a new windshield installed, and you will see that soon, because I have another camera running on a time lapse where you can see it. After 45 minutes or so, we are done, right? And yeah, just quickly explain what you did. You took that glue out around it, then you loosen it, and then you took the whole.
We cut out the urethane adhesive, basically.
Yeah.
And cut out the windshield. First, we cut out the windshield, then we strip the urethane adhesive.
Yes.
And then we wipe it down with a microfiber cloth and some water.
Yeah.
And then after that, we basically prime it to cover up our nicks, which is kind of inedible for us not to go ahead and make some nicks, because we are running kind of metal on metal. So
yeah.
cover up with primer, and then run a bead of urethane, and we should be good.
And then we're good again.
Yes, sir.
And we say thank you very much. Blue Chip was the first one in the valley to do Teslas, and now you always do Teslas. And the next one is the Model 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Hey, subscribe to the channel and check us out the next time. We always have new things to do and new repairs. Bye-bye.